Welcome to our mini vlog. For today's video, we're going to unbox again from Temu products. Actually, we like the quality of the Temu. So I ordered a bottle for my baby girl. This is blue. I ordered like this because she have colic. So this is actually free only from the Temu. Yeah, free item. There is two. The other one is longer one. The other is same. Like there is a pipe inside. This is for colic. So now because when she's growing up, so at least we are ready. See, this is free only from our order. And we have here her clothes for cold. Yeah, it's nice. Yay. This is only 18 dirhams. This is with one set. This is the pants. This is the jacket. Look at this, so cute. Look at this, Papa. And then there is also inner together with that. And the hat. Look at this, not hat, it's a ribbon. Check. Tala na. 18 na lang. Next is, see here, I ordered another one because yeah, that one is like that is free from I ordered. So this is also from for colic baby. See, it's like a rubber. It's like a rubber. The price is it was 32 dirhams. The price of that. Oh, so it's the same. There is a pipe inside, but this one is a rubber. See, and same like pipe is there. This is for only the colic babies. Next is our another set of pajamas for clothes. Yeah, that was white and this is cream.
Wait, this one you make new?
Yeah.
But it clean nicely?
Yeah. See, this is bigger than we ordered the first time. It says here, Mama, I love Mama. Without hat, love, no. Without hat.
No hat?
No cap. The first one we have.
How old is?
I think there's nothing's written here, but the same. See, this is like.
This one is bigger.
Yeah, bigger than the one I ordered. So the next one is same. I think Stomina I ordered this bottle. So this is another set of baby. Love, can you please open it? And for her milk powder when we are going outside, so we can like container. We no need to bring the whole can. So we just put it here, and then if we need it, we just open here, and we can just make like this into the bottle when we're preparing. So we can exchange also, guys. Example, this one is empty. We can remove it to the bottom and we'll replace the other one like that, because see, we can also here, this is the empty one and this is the another new one. It's nice. Next is I order for her for the cleaning in heart death. No, the tongue, not death. Huh? Yeah. So this is for cleaning for her for see the tongue because so much white. So this is the last product. So this is the one that I see another set, but this is not the same. See, it's cute. It's plastic. It's for colic baby as well. I think it's nice, yeah. So that's it, guys. See, look at this. Charan! The nipple is very nice. We need to wash it. This one, I think, love. You need to see.
Soft nipple.
Yeah. So this is the last. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. See you again for my another vlog, mini vlog, because Chloe is calling now. I think she's very hungry already. See you. Bye.